Brace yourself for mind-blowing destruction. Witness buildings vanish in seconds and crane operators perform death-defying stunts. This isn't just demolition, it's precision chaos. Are you ready for the fastest takedowns ever caught on camera? Have you ever seen a giant disappear in just a few seconds? That's exactly what happened in Wilmington, North Carolina, when Duke Energy demolished 2 of the 3 old boilers at the retired LV Sutton coal plant, clearing the way for progress. Forget everything you thought you knew about demolitions. In Nagasaki, Japan, the Takashima wind farm met its end in a way that turns heads: the tipping over method. It's demolition like you've never seen before. They're positioning a mini-X on the 3rd floor of a distillation unit. Yeah, way up there, to squeeze out every last bit of liquor. Just watching it makes your palms sweat. It takes a steady hand and real finesse. With that kind of hydraulic force in play, even a minor mistake can send everything into chaos.
Here's Wes.
Stand out of the way, please.
The Sir John Carling Building, once a proud symbol of Canada's agricultural leadership, met its dramatic end on July 13, 2014, after more than 40 years of service.
Here in the control room.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Ever seen a giant fall? Imagine 3 of them collapsing at once. That's exactly what happened when crews brought down the massive stacks of a decommissioned powerhouse. Amazing. It seems likely this was done by someone still finding their footing. A more experienced professional would probably have noticed and corrected such a small mistake before it slipped through. Have you ever wondered what happens to the end-of-life vehicles? Check out our process and how we recycle the cores and metals from them. Rewind to 2015, when the old bones of Christchurch's Central Police Station took their final bow in a dramatic implosion that echoed through history. With a thunderous finale, the last remaining chimney of the former VEB Vegro Kirchhoff was blown to the ground on December 20th, 2010, ending an era in a single, earth-shaking moment. Ever seen a team move like clockwork? That's exactly what's happening here. They're in sync, totally on point, and honestly, it's kind of satisfying to watch. Can you imagine a bridge gone overnight? That's exactly what happened at kilometer 34 on the D1. Out with the old, in the most dramatic way. Buffalo just witnessed a building bow out gracefully through a meticulously planned demolition and oddly satisfying to watch. watch a seasoned excavator operator take down and fold up an old grain bin like a pro. This is demolition with precision.
Attends, il va faire quoi?
Some ask, why not just collapse it from the top 2 floors? But here's the brutal truth. It wouldn't work. The force needed to crush the lower structure must be equal or greater than what it's hitting. You ever seen a space frame go up? It's raw power and precision in motion. But don't let the beauty fool you. This is high-stakes stuff. The crew needs laser focus. Anchor those lines, test every lift, and keep that line of talk open. One mistake, that's not just metal dropping, that's lives on the line. When Western Workboats LLC shows up, they mean business. That derelict sailboat? Gone in no time thanks to a powerful hydraulic excavator. Dig out the base, and the silo will fall. Right where you want it. No collateral damage, no extra hassle. It's faster and cheaper than other demolition methods. Simple, smart, effective. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind, and a 0 if it didn't quite impress you. Your support fuels our creative fire. Let's be real, this fix is a no-brainer. A ramp or a solid temporary stair. Either one instantly makes the area safer and more user-friendly. We're talking about a small step, but a big impact. Don't overlook the simple stuff. It's often what saves you the most trouble down the line. One push. That's all it took. The house crumbled into dust beneath the force of the excavator.
Swinging a little bit. And then we'll try to catch it. What I mean by catch it, that's what we call it, is catching your hook and back and
Now
forth.
picture this. You're up in a crane
You
cab,
don't want-
hundreds of feet in the air.
Above it.
Not just standing there, but working, concentrating,
So swinging
maneuvering
right, swinging
tons of
over the
steel
top
with
of it.
total
Now,
control.
back to the left a little bit.
That takes guts.
I'm gonna try to catch up with it.
These operators perform under pressure,
In practice,
high above everything else, and they make it look effortless.
Just get that thing moving
It's not
around
just a
little
job,
bit.
it's a skill, an art form even. Next time you see a crane, think of the person
So I'm
inside.
intentionally
They've
getting
earned
it.
your respect.
And when I stop, it's probably about 10 or so feet, maybe even. Because now we've got a pretty hard swing in it. So to catch it, I'm going to try to get over the... and get all the swing out of it. Cranes you can do that with. Other cranes you got to be standing on the throttle. A lot of times too, like if you're booming down too fast, you're a lot more difficult to catch. Swinging side to side is pretty easy because but if it's and there's you don't have something hanging on the hook that's gonna crack, we'll get rid of some of that if you do it quick enough. But just the act of cabling down a lot of times.
Impressed by what you saw? Hit the like button and subscribe to stay informed about our latest content. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon on Forestry Tech.